In this video, we'll be looking at this amazing direction filling text effect. We'll see how to do this. As you can see, when I hover from the left side, it says you hovering from the left, and when I hover from the down side, it says you hovering from the bottom, and when I hover from the top, it says you hovering from the top. And as you can see, when I hover from the top, the text animation is like from the top, and when I hover from the left, it's like goes animation from left to right. How to do this? After watching this video, you will get the point. I hope you will be enjoying this video. So let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is Code Captivate. You can learn coding fastly and efficiently. I have an HTML and CSS file. I have basic written HTML in my HTML file, and I will also link the CSS file here. The CSS file is empty. Now the first thing is I will create a div, and the class name will be container wrapper. Inside this I will create 4 anchor tag, and also the href will be hash, and the anchor tag inside the body of anchor tag there will be nothing. It will be hash. Now I have created anchor tags, and the next is I'll create a span, and the class will be filled as text, and also there will be data dash text, and this is not class, sorry. Data dash text will be equal to, and this will be, for example, elkis. Inside this I will write code capt. Now the next is I will go to my style.css file and start styling for the HTML. The first will be universal selector, and the margin 0, padding will be 0, and the box sizing will be bold box. And the next is for the body, display flags, justify content center, align item center, hide 100 VH, and the background color will be yes. Starting my live server. As you can see, this page they like this affair, so now going to my CSS again. Now the next thing is I will style for the wrapper. The first I will create a variable. Text color will be white, and the position will be a relative. Now the next is anchor tag inside the wrapper. Its position will be absolute, and the width will be 100 pixel%, height will be 100%, z and x will be 1. And the next I will style for the first child in the wrapper class, and I'll say nth child. This will be first, and now this will I will write webkit clip path. This will be polygon, and the first will be 0, 0, 100%, 0, 50%, 50%, and also the clip path. If there is, this is for the website compatibility. I use the webkit. Next is same again, 0, 0, 100%, 0, 50%, 50%. I'm going to my browser. So here you can see nothing happens. Now the next is I will select the second child and do the same, like copy this, by copying this and paste it down. Again I will select inside the wrapper clause. I will say whenever someone hours on the anchor tag, the clip dash path will be none. You can also do like for the web browser compatibility, webk dash clip dash path. But I will comment this. Now the next is z-index. Let's see. I'm going to my browser again. So here you can see nothing happens, but by adding more styling something will happen here. Next is dot wrapper a and child 1 and so on, hour on the first child. I'll say it will happen like I'll use the tail and will be dot fail dash text before. I'll say fail dash from will be circle 0% at 50%, 0%. And the next is fail dash 2 dash dash fail dash 2 will be circle 150% at 0%, 50%. Animation will be fill text 3-second forward direction before. Now the next is so for one I think I'll say the wrapper a and child 1 hour. So using the tilt again after this time. The hour text will be you Howard me top. This is the basic idea of this. Now again I will copy this and paste it down. And this is all done. Now styling, writing animation here, keyframe, fill dash text. I'll see at 0% the clip dash path will be where fill from and 100%. This will be fill dash 2, and also the color will be text dash color. Now this is the animation, and the next is I'll say fill text. It will be color transparent, and also text stroke, WebKit text stroke. It will be 1 pixel, where, and text color. The font size will be 20 pw. Font family will be serif, and the next I'll say fill text before. Content will be attribute data dash text, and also the position will be absolute. Next is fill dash text after, and this will be hover text you hovered me, from the content will be hover dash text, and the text dash stroke, WebKit text dash stroke will be initial. The font will be 2VW. I'll say this slash 1.5. This will be the font. The color will be this, and position absolute, bottom 0, left 50%, and transform translate x minus 50%. The next is white space will be no. I'll go to my HTML, and here the data text will be also bootstrapped. Now go to my browser. As you can see, when I hover from the bottom, so here it says you hovered me from the bottom, and when I hover from the left, so here you can see it says a hover from the left, and also the animation is performed from the left. And why when I hover from the top, you can as you can see it says from the top, and when I hover from the right, so there is nothing happening from the right, but still you get the point. I hope this video will help you doing something good, so you will have enjoyed the video. And if you like the video, press the like button and also press the subscribe button in order to get more videos like this. Please follow the channel, and thanks for watching the video.